I focused on the definition of home for the Palestinians. I use storytelling and oral history and transform it into a visual forms. I really interested in what does it mean home for us after a lot of displacement and the genocide. And this is the main subject that I'm working on now. What is home? And I'm using collage on my work because collage is very intimate for me because I can touch the materials and it has smell and shapes and you can feel the work. So that's why I'm using collages on my work. I focused on the definition and the complexities of home, and I talked about displacement. And the last project I did, it was Genocide Kitchen. It's about food, but food it's part of home, like cooking. It's part of home and all these details. So I'm focusing on small details on the general definition of home, like cooking and doing the small details every day. It's about home eventually. The themes, it's as I said, it's about storytelling. I collected stories from people around me, friends, family, neighbors, things I saw every day in Gaza. Then I started to collect pictures from the random life in Gaza, and pictures for the tents and how people try to collect many materials to build a tent. So the themes are so close to this environment, the random environment, and it looks like collage, like the tents, like half wood, half plastic, fabric. So I saw it as a collage. So the themes were so close to the place that I'm living in.